Say me person me bo Miracle Aboagye ankasa video koye do ho no. Me wi na ma kire mo ade bi. Why a Miracle Aboagye? Eni say Jimmy ni kura tie no. He's desperate. If you don't give us money, we will deliberately decide to lie to the Ghanaian people. And the danger is that they are destroying Ghana. Almost say Ghana. And I'm a video the same Miracle Aboagye. Or the same Joy News. Joy News somebody nechi echo Central Region. And the question penny way a Miracle Aboagye or the Poyando the Tisakusia or Nyam Ako Janet say, Munjeyo, into any day, and he said Jiminy Kratino. He's desperate for attention. With Diba Omiasika, ya Pamono as an MC, Mekachan says, oh, yeah, Ria. He should come and show us his termination letter. Time me go for Pamono as an MC. He's a criminal. I don't want. Are you okay? Oh, yeah, he's desperate. He wants to steal from Baumia because the same person on the Baumia could get 38%, you know. And I'm telling you on authority, I know what is coming. Because Besame ya David Chiramo. Umia ko tie eye Miracle Aboagye ni nkusie. But all these things, share the eba no. Emi vodo mo Jimmy o, me hu bi da. You a group of piglets who are refusing to admit to say someone free omo Jimmy mu a. There's no way a Ghana for be take you serious. Now the NPP want to create an impression say Ghana for munjo and the insulting in say a yandis in abe say suddenly inti omon na munsuo so no mo press conference. That's fine. Obiani omuntokwa na hade. This was in 2021. I'm building it from the back. Send your who say Miracle Aboagye ne sankwasiafo no omo Jimmy. You are not supposed to take them serious. Now in 2021, this is evidence-based issues they can want them. Johnny Hughes, or media general for journalist, or morning show or TV studio radio so. MP before call a Central Region press conference say, Sibian Suria say no. This is the first time a Ghana phone Suria say Miracle Aboagye or Yusuba Umiasa cash cow edinyeska. Now Johnny Hughes be posted BB catch Ghana for say MP before ende ebe catch Ghana for say Ghana Suria say or remind Ghana for say in 2021 time na MPP was no. This was a news cover about Ghana and the MPP. They're not in Suria into Troy, and I'm still waiting for the MPP to have a press conference to say he's lying. Right now, no. So I want to me Ember out. Ember say Obi Bois and therefore Jimmy Tinefi. Or see, this picture was taken in April 2021 after a tour of the Central and Western region by Honorable Kojo Opon Nkrumah, Information Minister, Samuel Aboagye, Land and Natural Resources, Cecilia Dapa, Water and Sanitation, the two regional ministers with their entourage. I showed it on Johnny's Bite then. Note, the Interministerial Committee Against Illegal Mining, that's the IMCIM, had been dissolved then. I'm just sharing the information. In 2021, no, time ministers no, and then the share insure na galamsey say no was Central and Western region ana kojo pon kroma ka ho na land minister de Samuel Aboagye po ka ho na Cecilia Dapa ka ho no omko 2021 no insure eninie baby na omko ye omka say insure ni ase omko ye video no the same place in 2021 baby say Ghana Water Company was Central region. This is the same water. Now remember Okachira mo say sa interministerial committee na mo say ebeko galamsey no in 2021 ni egunu 2021 no na ye guno. And it said, sir, interministerial your friend saying interministerial committee against illegal mining. Sir, Adena Ekufuado te no e hon fa so be na yenyaye. And omo de sir IMCIM enye sika no te say Charles Bisu Kromfo no odi Canada Japan echi. Ewifo na omo sir committee nim no and omo na asa cha omo hu mienu ebi di Canada echi e ebi di Baomi echi. Kojo Opon Nkrumah mo edi Baomi echi. Samuel Aboagye po mu di Baomi echi. Charles Bisu a ehun so oje bribe TV so as a member of the IMCIM no ono di Canada Japan into the same group. Into sooner MPP for some press conference wo water company na emo say insure ni asay na in the same place in 2021. Into said Miracle Aboagye abegyina TV so catch us an ye hu bi da mo ye de nso na ye e na odi kusie de di nachi de bia MPP bedi nkwase asema obokwa santimem ko yikusie baako Paul Yando wadane kusie no di omochi ena omu use ni sa apofe de bia MPP petumi a moba santima no bayi Jimmy ni baako no mo de na kodi nkwase asem omukwa demonstration no ye hu achimi ni bia so ogina ho time na omo power no Paul Yando no mo hu ni sa kusie ba tan na omo mpese obeben tumi mpo abekasa ende power koye no yakotam kusie kodi miracle Aboagye chi se munko Jimmy mu hu onsuo ho. This is the same place 2021. Now the most interesting thing about the Amebo Achron is me person me bo Miracle Aboagye ankasa video koye do ho no me wi na ma kire wade bi why a Miracle Aboagye eni se Jimmy ni kuratie no he's desperate for attention we di ba omia sika ya pamono as an MC me ka kire say onya wi a he should come and show us his termination letter time me for pamono as an MC. He's a criminal as I speak on to me proving Ghana for say enya krono ntini pamono oyewi. He's desperate. He wants to still steal from Baumia because the same person on the Baumia konya 38%, no. And I'm telling you on authority. I know what is coming. Now, mumia go tie video no because me say me ya de bi kire mo. Mumia go tie eye Miracle Aboagye ni nkusie.
Between 2010 and 2016, the NDC government, which President Mahama was then a vice president and a president at some point, had moved our fairly good water from 40 to 25 poor quality water, and only 15 of these water were fairly good water. It tells you that we have every reason to be worried. We have every reason to be concerned if we are not getting enough assurance from the president looking at his track record. Because between the period of 2010 and 2016, when he was vice president and president, our water bodies deteriorated to a very poor state. Now guess what? When the MPP government took office, between 2017 and 2024, the 25 poor quality water that we inherited were reduced from 25 to 10. And so by the time Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo was leaving office in December 2024, the 15 fairly good water that the NDC government left had increased from 15 to 29 good water.
Your boy Andrew him. As wa kabisim omwe Jimmy. Inti omko jina the same zone almost saying no. And they are doing a press conference. I don't know if it's a Ghana for yen Jimmy yet. This is just 8 months of free power new. In sona omujina hono. Time on free power, omo power no. O sign anka odi si wa anka sell anka ninti. But you see, these cockroaches, because majority of them MPP, no more Jimmy, or my general for Munti. Sanko from the party, no, or just a Ghana for Jimmy. Anytime I say the foolish masses are the people who are following the NPP. Inti, Wakojinan Suenim, 8 months of free power. Now, I had the same Miracle Aboagye, time I know what to me. No. This is what he said. I'll say, I will demonstrate against the government if it bans small-scale mining. Time I know what to me no. We September 2024. Satana Ghana for say from Pop watching the report about Manya Hoshi. Minerals Commission said I want to me say as Manya Hoshi. More forest ABM Obia Koyamanya Hoshi. Ghana for say yam ban a mining. Na yen senia yebetuma koyeni because abane nyeshi. Miracle Aboagye ko tina TV so say NPP are buying a ban mining because of Galamsey or no be demonstration. Abrantie we are nende washe a Poland for a Lacoste abegina wa say echichira motuo mo say die yo say oshe SM say small size o say S oshe die we oshe S ana oshe small say tiny small oshe TS ana say S say nkwankwa shed ne sheno say die yo. The same person, any 1 year old, the same person, wako mounted, akonya wo insured him say, insured the our power in less than, as some work kind naka 3 months or say 2 months near Kotwaba. Oka say, or no MPP na or ya Baumia campaign manager no, or say, or no MPP no, say, omo banne mining in Ghana, or no, omo be demonstration tia MPP. And the question penny way. Or the Paul Yando had the Tisakusia or Yam Ako Janet say, Munje yo, into any day, Yaman power. who in their right senses to take the NPP serious. Kwasi Ampenya me born video chiro on when September ya na or say I will demonstrate against government if it bans small scale mining. Na Ghana for kasa. Ya say munya bibi. Sa munya mun declare state of emergency kura munya bibi mi ehu. Chairman won't to me say asase. Keti yemvo say asase. From Pop Watching the report about ye mo be forest nama munya bibi. Omuka said no. Afe miracle Aboagye went na news file mame kan kire wo o kan story na some kan any MPP for me nyan o but kan so wo Jimmy don't listen to them inti ka de mo koye nanke ye nya beto aba mo na inti ne kwakra ne sen ye ma mutumi moa na mo sa me bie forest no nyan. The spokesperson for the campaign of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the new patriotic party's flag bearer for the 2024 elections, Dennis Miracle Aboagye, has threatened on one case threatening na ban. Also share. Galamsey na support Bawumia campaign no. Galamsey na ye ne enne ya sensuo na e ma yesika no. O pese utwa de Galamsey mu. Miracle Aboagye tena Joy News threatening na ban. Sata not only the leading Bawumia communication. Na Bawumia man sa chance na ko betuma koye. Bawumia told him that you dare not go on radio and say, or support say, young ban mining, small scale mining in Ghana. Bawumia the man direction said, Kono Ghana for say, no. Because the intentions was that Obube Kunipa keep power. No, must say them more. NPP, they never thought of losing power. Mina me catch roll. Takonu, she never thought to say NPP will lose power. Nana Danko for he never thought. Bawumia thought he will win the power. So he sat on TV. The same Miracle Aboagye catch Ghana for say, or no be see the party no say you ban Galamsey or Ghana. Now when you read the story, this is what it says. In Mr. Aboagye's view, the calls for a ban on small-scale mining are politically motivated and not in the interest of the country. Or see, September. Or see, omo kase Galamsey sensio ku Ghana for ye won kora no mo say ditu no. Or see sankofo nya politics no mo yom kwase anko no ha. Enya koma pa no mo de kasa. Sata no wa ban mu. Kwase ampe yo she Poland for la cost we. Miracle Aboagye. Kwase ampe wa se banchidue yi. Na no mo gi say ere fie ho. Now what the Ghana no offer Aboagye serious. Miracle Aboagye offer is serious. Oh way. Jimmy way. Politics of insult. You bet you there. So you see, into onim sa MPP for the Jiminti, no afa po yando, ni tise kusia wonyam. Kwasiato. Ono time na oti Ghana 8 years we hu de nso ne Jimmy. Ne nimu prekesen se apofia be gina. Yes mahama be yensuo no otwe. Ukroma santimemu nso papa be na da ho. Galamsey said nyina kokwe demonstration ho. Now okay story speaking on Joy News on Thursday, September 19, he said the calls are in the interest of some political groups. So time now fix the country for a demonstration. Or say that be where politics no more yeah. In Sobian say yeah, more bian cancel Galamsey. Miracle Aboagye. The Niasi said the kotra ni egu kwasia and wakoshe Poland for la cause to say BBSC into yanya deng, what should we do? Yanya deng. Yantam Ghana ne mamwana yanya deng. Inti ebunfu MP NDC. Mami en support NDC biom. Yenya den inti end game ne say what's the end game? Ntwamwa. My say Jimmy for ma. Mojo say Ghana for refi 2 days, 3 days. Where just 7 months ago. You see, Osaka say me and I quote Miracle Aboagye no masem. Pizza for me kind of for me kind of tree. The proposal they are making is not in the interest of the water bodies. They are making it in the interest of their own political affiliation. End of quote. Or see, Ghana for na omatio mugwa bontenika say Ekufuado abain. Chema won't to me yagala. Mo be a forest no. And the Papa Watching the report aba. Ni nyina mo se mo nya ho hwe. Se sia ne pese mo ye bibia mo nya na o say omo mo ye saade de no. Eye sebio political party bi no mo join enye Ghana enye nsuo na ase no nti na sa time no wagya tum se nsuo ase yo but na on pese obegya tum se the party na se nsuo no wagya tum se the party na be gala ebie forest no ase nsuo no but politics kwase boy we foolish boy we or just about to the Ghana for adwe di ada edi agro because eye dey full ani ni any kwase ampe bi so person be the president. MPP ankasa omwe Jimmy Some because MPP Jimmy dio naturally foolish Jimmy. They still don't think just a Ghana for you Jimmy to support Yando. Now we are Santini ba with the MPP kwa santimemu no kohwe ko boasa danse ko be kwai kwa santimemu we regional communications that ade na wonko honkoda fom koto de ne bodwe muti jimi mu na small boys we use mo o yando we nyini cha kwa we why wonim tum sa pa ofia ko gina ne ti ejimi wo ho papa panyin toto o de wo hwe abo to akogina nsuo ho ukuro ma santimemu ye nyansuo nom. Now my mention de kudi entia MPP for mo jimi. Now let's go back. Mecho Bibi. Time na MPP to see the water. And don't make actually say 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. You shouldn't say this is evidence.
Management of Ghana Water Company Limited in the Central Region is crying out for help as it warns residents could go without water running through their taps for a long time if nothing drastic happens to change the situation. According to them, Galamsey activities on the Pra River has resulted in the inadequate raw water received at the Setra water treatment plant. They say about 60% of the catchment capacity is silted as a result of illegal mining, compromising the quality of raw water. We'll bring you the statement from Ghana Water Company Limited shortly, but first, excerpts of our documentary, Thirsty Rivers.
Sacred waters, once no-go zones, are now vulnerable to exploitation. Their purity, sacrificed at the altar of profit. What was once protected by deep-seated respect for tradition is now undermined by the clinking of coins as the sacred is sold off piece by piece. The Ghana Water Company continues to post challenges affecting the processing of water for the consuming public. At their water treatment plant here at Setra, illegal miners continue to mine very close to the intake point of the company. The water treatment plants, once efficient hubs of purification, now resemble battlefields. Here, modern equipment struggles against overwhelming turbidity levels, constantly straining under the burden. The filtration systems, once designed to handle sediment-free water, now groan under the weight of heavy metals and salts, leading to frequent breakdowns.
So the Setra water treatment plant was designed with turbidity levels of about between 800 to 1,000. But now we hit turbidities of about 11,000. Yeah, yesterday I think turbidity was about 9,000. So turbidity, like I told you, you can say is about how unclean the water has become in terms of silts. So water or a treatment plant that is designed to abstract water without silt is now abstracting the water with silt.
Professor David Kofi Suman, an esteemed environmental scientist at the University of Cape Coast, sounds the alarm on the relentless galamsey activities ravaging Ghana's rivers and water bodies. With a deep sense of urgency, he highlights the catastrophic impact of chemicals seeping into these waters, posing a grave threat to the health of countless Ghanaians.
You see, those days when we clarify water, we use just the water stands for some time and the sediment drops and it becomes clean without adding much chemicals. Today, because of the nature, it's mud. It's not water. They are squeezing water out of mud. And so they will have to add a lot of chemicals, alum, to be able to settle this thing that we are talking about.
In a statement put out by the Ghana Water Company Limited today, the plant is only able to produce about a quarter of its installed capacity currently. My colleague Kwekwa Asante has details of the statement.
Very alarming statement put together by the Ghana Water Company Limited, and they say that they've noted, of course, the challenges with water supply in Cape Coast, Elmina and surrounding communities in recent times. Then they go on to provide why exactly this acute water supply challenges is happening. They say the recent demand supply gap is a result of inadequate raw water received at the Setra water treatment plant as a result of galamsey. pollution of the Pra River along its course, and most especially at the catchment for abstraction, has reduced water embankment to the barest minimum. About 60% of the catchment capacity is silted as a result of illegal mining in Galamsey, compromising the quality of raw water. We are currently recording an average of a turbidity of 14,000 NTU instead of 2,000 NTU, designed for adequate treatment. Currently, the plant is able to produce only about 7,500 meter cubic water per day, a quarter of its installed capacity. The situation has caused severe inconveniences to our customers and consumers, and we sincerely apologize. The company is engaging all stakeholders in activity to your community.
Ghana Water Company must do magic, perform magic, and reduce it from 14,000 to 5 NTU. Can you imagine the work that Ghana Water Company has to do before we can get a drop of water to the homes of customers? But Ghanaians are doing this. It's not as if there's no water in the Pra River. But the quality is so bad, we can't abstract more than that. We can't abstract more. In fact, the same thing is happening in Western region, Aboagye, where we abstract the Pra River. Sometimes the Galamsey causes, the Galamsey operation causes the sand or the silt to gather at the intake that we are not able to use to abstract water. Sometimes we even need to close down the plant, but we can't close it down. So we have to do whatever we can to be able to abstract the little that we can. In fact, this thing must stop. It must not continue. So in fact, now we don't even, in fact, let me say we are not desperate.
I'm sorry, sound. Thank you, team. Now, video now share, the sound went off. I'm sorry. Video now share, this was August 2024. August 2024. That was NPP was in power. August 2024. And the water na can was the same place, so the same central region, almost saying August 2024. The same people today are doing a press conference in central region saying, time on no move free power na in Suneni say. I've played a video of news reporter, a free Edian, a free central region. Now, my biggest problem the problem I want to see our Ghana, the fight against Galamsey, one of the biggest problems the media, and especially multimedia. You see this news coverage, I'm lecturing on, Joy News coverage. They have all these materials at their disposal. When the MPP, they were in power, they went to these sites. They saw what damage or the kind of damage na MPP for a year to our environment. Today, they are the ones spearheading the NPP propaganda and agenda against a government that is working for the people. That is my biggest problem. And it hurts me when I say multimedia because my own boss, Erastus Asarodonko, he's putting his life on the line to report every single thing on the ground for us to see, irrespective of the party in power. Or start reporting a Galamsey issue. Now MPP no power. He's still doing it whilst NDC is in power. But it hurts me say the media which he is part of. I'm talking about the media a company that is multimedia, specifically Joy News. They are making the fight against Galamsey very difficult. Because you see, Joy News, multimedia, they have an agenda. And the agenda is that we want to find a way to make this government look bad in the eyes of Ghanaians. So they are going to align themselves with the NPP to lie to us. How can you have these materials at your disposal? You have covered the news in the central region. How under the leadership of Akufo-Addo Bawumia, ensure what Ghana say, and I say, and so move free power. How can you follow these same criminals to the same location and come back and report as if say what is happening is new and it's never happened before? Because if Joy News or multimedia is a credible platform, the first question they will be asking these people is, why do you want us to follow you to a place you have been before and we saw the damage you have done? In fact, the water body or the water we saw there had already been destroyed even before we went there with you. So why are you today making it to look like, say, what we are going to cover or we follow you there will change the narrative? It is only a media house, a Chrome 4, any fake news, a media house that is making it difficult for us to fight illegal mining in the BSA. And you see, multimedia, Joy News, they are enabling the NPP to lie to Ghanaians. And you could see the interest it is a paid job they were doing. Oh, yanko kraswe, yanko busako krawe, yanko bebre. You see, the idea in say we want to do everything as multimedia, Joy News, to make the John Mahama administration unpopular because since they came to power, they have not paid us money. They have not called us to settle with us. They are not doing what we like. Into the fight against Galamsey, no. As much as we are blaming Ghanaians, the media, especially multimedia and Joy News, are the biggest hindrance when it comes to the fight against Galamsey. Because if I am an editor or Joy News, be a news editor, now Mabekachem say we are NPP. We are going to the central region to go and do a press conference in front of the same Ghana Water Company, you call under your leadership. Now, so that's saying I will tell my reporters not to go. No, why should my reporters go? Because under your leadership, that is when we saw the distraction. Why are you today going to stand there to tell Ghana for say, then it means you, the media house, you are enabling them to lie to the people. Whilst you have evidence whilst you have evidence to prove, say, what they started, what we are experiencing today, it was started by the NPP. So why are they not being bold to tell Ghana for say, no, we are not going to be part of this strategy of destroying a government that is willing to fight, unless the media house is ready to help the NPP to stop the fight against Galamsey, because that's what we are seeing today. That is what we are seeing. That's why I keep saying it's Joy News, a fake news. Multimedia is one of the worst media houses in Ghana. Very terrible reporters, very terrible news outlet. It is political. What they do is their whole thing is it's about money. The highest bidder. If you don't give us money, we will deliberately decide to lie to the Ghanaian people. And the danger is that they are destroying Ghana. Multimedia, Joy News, almost say Ghana. Now, and the reason why I'm saying is that multimedia, Joy News, they say Ghana, video the same Miracle Aboagye, or not the same Joy News. Joy News Nombudinechi Echo Central Region. For him to go fool himself there, no, he sat in the same newsroom. This is what he said. Listen to Miracle Aboagye.
It's a small-scale mining firm employing close to about 5,000 young people in the western region. You are saying that we should ban them for what wrong? What crime has he committed? Because there is armed robbery, everybody should be left at home. Everybody should be kept at home. Is that a sensible way to solve a social canker? That there is a lot of armed robbery or there's a lot of phone snatching around Circle. So government should ban everybody coming to Circle. That is an emotive, an emotional way of trying to solve a problem. And that is why I keep telling you that these people who come on TV and radio and talk about ban, they are... It's a small-scale mining firm employing close to about 5,000 young people in the western region. You are saying that we should ban them for what wrong? What crime has he committed? Because there is armed robbery, everybody should be left at home. Everybody should be kept at home. Is that a sensible way to solve a social canker? That there is a lot of armed robbery or there's a lot of phone snatching around Circle. So government should ban everybody coming to Circle. That is an emotive, an emotional way of trying to solve a problem. And that is why I keep telling you that these people who come on TV and radio and talk about ban, they are... That there is a lot of armed robbery or there's a lot of phone snatching around Circle. So government should ban everybody coming to Circle. A small-scale mining firm employing close to about 5,000 young people in the western region. You are saying that we should ban them for what wrong? What crime has he committed? Because there is armed robbery, everybody should be left at home. Everybody should be kept at home. Is that a sensible way to solve a social canker? That there is a lot of armed robbery or there's a lot of phone snatching around Circle. So government should ban everybody coming to Circle. That is an emotive, an emotional way of trying to solve a problem. And that is why I keep telling you that these people who come on TV and radio and talk about ban.
This is the same idiots. Kwasia Wayne and Wakujina Central Region. Otina Joy News catch Ghana for say, kwa Western Region, kwa Obi ya illegal mining. Why employ 5,000 people? I didn't think I didn't think ban into so. That time Ghanaians were calling for a total ban because the government was doing nothing. Remember, so Ghana for that time I calling for a state of emergency. It was because the government was doing nothing. Accra we continue the same Joy News catch Ghana for say na muma Jimmy ana ko Western region ko hwe obi ya gala wafa nipa 5,000 ejuma. I didn't think I also ban Ghana gala. This is Miracle Aboagye. This is the same fool who is being enabled, and I say Joy News enabling to come fool himself on TV say or no akọ Central region. This in Kwasiafo when I'm say the fight against Galamsey no a media house Emanaya Dimpa a multimedia Joy News. How can somebody like this sit in your own studio and make such a statement when he was in power? And in less than 8 months, you follow the person to the same distraction that he did and say the person to tell us, say, see what has happened. What kind of stupid Machiavellian tactics is this? Mababe kunipa, mababe sensio, mababe biye forest no, mababe hunu sueni, move power 2 months, masababe catch and say, I didn't know ni ahono. Means that the media house and the party, they are stupid. So whoever is the editor of Joy News is very stupid, very political, and majority of the people are multimedia. No, Joy News no more Jimmy, omo ekonaya ding because we a media house papa. You tell them say hey, our credibility is important. Time and more power. Now this is what you said in our studio here. We cannot allow this to happen. You cannot drag us to this place and tell us to say NDC are saying so no. Into NDC in so ni. Obi onimi nyansa. Media house omunya kromfo omunya wifo omo credibility and yes sikanti no boy anase cocaine they will tell the person we are not going to follow you because our credibility is important. Anytime catch Ghana for say the fight against Galamsey, the media house my power Ghana a multimedia Joy News material evidence intermedia matema. And my boss Erastus Asarodonko today posted something on social media. Erastus Bibi after Miracle Aboagye Echo Central region or say, let me officially welcome Dennis Miracle Aboagye to the Galamsey fight. Today, I watched him explain the need to fight Galamsey because babies are being born deformed. Hey. But before that, he had already posted something on Facebook about how Miracle Aboagye approached him and told him, say, Ejumana Oyeno, a politics the way tree. Besides, get me that. When Erastus was working, besides, get me. The reason why Erastus actually assembly is because time and MPP were power no. Miracle Aboagye confronted Erastus catch and say, hey, what bottom? On the so bad day, Galamsey report to Ghana. Satana MPP ne what power. This Miracle Aboagye guy, he insulted Erastus for bringing out the truth. And then the Erastus say, ayen wanwa. Ni wanwa, ni wejiri no. Every time no pa onidi. Say Miracle Aboagye na TV so akoye press conference say and enkwara and say tu ye nde nsua say o se Miracle Aboagye o se oni Erastus ni ye ma hye no aye ne wanwa o se he's shocked. Team, get me Erastus Facebook post na me fan check Ghana for the first one o se aye ne wanwa. Yes, I've seen it. Thank you very much, team. Erastus said yen o se ohun Miracle Aboagye gina TV so say ono oka Galamsey say and Ghana form for pressure go NDC so na Galamsey ni de omu hu bi da no o say ni yem hye no. Let me read before tweet be osatro concerning the same Miracle Aboagye. O say today those who ignored us and tagged us doing politics with Galamsey are now ambassadors doing press conference along the same rivers they watched people to pollute. Today, Miracles, who told me I was using Galamsey to serve my own agenda, is now an ambassador. Ghana is a very funny country. Time and Erastus, Juma, Ede report in the Babon, Miracle Aboagye catch Erastus say, or Juma no ya man ho, or the politics. And the Miracle at the stage, Akojinansu who say, oh yeah, press conference, a being see that Ghana and say, or say a yen one. So person can go street to swa Erastus Asarodonko say Miracle Aboagye Jimmy for onim nyansa oye kwasiaba na mbra na wo tumi na oye se adwuma no adan na ono ka che de se adwuma na oye ma no ho na enya Ghana na oye ma Ghana eye den na de ono akogina wo say asama to Ghana if you say insuo na say all kind of street I say no be can, but he's being very diplomatic and respectful. But mimi dwuma o se miracle ya kwasiaba onim nyansa oye jimifo sebi oye dwedwantwie oye nipa bia oye pesemi nkuminya oye obi a sebi ugini dia na wankasa oye jimifo te seba omia every say sa nipa we ena na ye ko de illegal mining galam say ena ohwe menim ka say na ban na wo so memfa mekwase anko ene wabesi stage wabesi platform say ontia se nipa ewu nti yenye hu bibi o se ne yema hye no me ye ne street so ama no Erasmus na okwa sorry on na ye Christoni a waka bro for nights mi jijam. Now you see where the problem is. You have to be very vigilant. A media house like multimedia is dangerous to Ghana's development. I'm telling you. Politicians, the multimedia that Ghana for, especially Joy News, it is fake news. What some more Joy News? Take your time and go verify from other places. A very dangerous news outlet. Ghana problem. Politicians take advantage of us for all these years. Multimedia is part. Go back and do your checks. Kukuba kumunina start Joy News no start here. Egbert Fable mo start here. Joy News. Kujo upon kuma we ene oni MPP better so as information minister utwa at the point ni pe we kujo upon kuma se pan we Joy News that buy Esankuma the same Esankuma we know, this criminal, this thief Esankuma Joy News that buy. There are so many of them in the system. They were cleaned up by Joy News. And you people have to be very careful. Because Joy News is fake news, a dangerous news platform. Don't underestimate the damage Joy News can do. Right now, in their newsroom, their agenda is that they want to destroy NDC. They want to destroy John Mahama's government. They are doing everything possible because Ghanaians are not listening. They are forcing Jandam in the system.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.